how to fix no sound issue on iPhone. So if your phone is not playing sound while you're playing music or video, here are some of the things that you can try to troubleshoot and see if you can fix the problem. Okay, the first thing that you want to check is to make sure your phone is not connected to a Bluetooth device such as an earphone, headphones, or external Bluetooth speaker. So what we're going to do is go into settings. Okay, so in here, if you tap on settings, and then we scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Now in here, check in my devices section, check to make sure it is not connected to an AirPods, to Beats, a headphone, or any other external Bluetooth device such as an external speaker. Or you can simply turn off Bluetooth and then play the sound to see if your phone can actually receive the sound. If this is fix the issues, then you can simply go down and basically go into a Bluetooth device and simply disconnect it, or you can forget this device altogether if you are not using it. So that is the first thing to check, is to turn off Bluetooth. Make sure your phone playing sound and not through the Bluetooth device. Okay, next is you want to make sure that your phone volume has been set all the way up. So press and hold on the volume up button like this. And this will allow you to change your volume. So you want to slide your volume all the way up to the top, to the maximum, so that sometimes it is something that you may overlook. It's common issues. Sometimes people turn down the volumes and they don't realize that the volume has been set down to the minimum. Now you can swipe down at the top to open the control center, and here you can turn up the volume or down as well. Okay, so the next thing that you can do is to force restart your iPhone. Sometimes there could be a software glitch or bugs that cause the phone not to play sound. So what you can do is press on the volume up and quickly release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold on the side button. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold on the side button. Now continue to hold until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. After that, you can let go of the buttons. So here it will boot up. Now continue to hold. After you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, you can let go of the button. And this will basically reset the cache memory, and it will reboot with a fresh start. Hopefully that can fix your sound issue. Okay, next you want to ensure your case are not blocking any sound. You can see here there are holes at the bottom. Sometimes when you put your phones in your pockets over time, dust and debris can block up all the holes here and cause no sound. So you may want to take out the case and give it a clean. Make sure it is nice and clear, nothing's blocking the holes. Down here on the actual phone case as well, you want to make sure everything is nice and clean. If there are dust and debris, you can use a soft toothbrush to clean it and remove any dirt that is covering up the speakers on the bottom, at the bottom here. Okay, next, if you still have no sound so far, you can try to perform a reset or settings. So go into settings. And in here, we scroll down and tap on general. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. And at the top here, you want to tap on reset all settings. Now this will not, so put in the passcode. Now this will not erase any of the data on the device. It will not delete your photos, documents, or contacts. All your data will be saved. It will simply just reset settings such as your network settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so on. So just simply reset all settings and then see if you now get sound. The next thing to check is to go into settings. Again, in settings, we go down and tap on sounds and haptics. Now in here, ensure that ringtone and alerts volume bar is raised to the max. If it's all the way down, then you will not hear any sound. When you receive an incoming call or alert, you will not get any sound. So make sure you slide the slider bar all the way up to the right. Okay, so give that a try. And if you are using ringtone sound, In here, you can check to make sure it is not set to none or silent. Sometimes there are options where you can set it to none. So for ringtone, you want to make sure it has sounds when you're selecting one of the ringtone. Okay, so do that. Okay, next you want to plug in your headphones to your device. So if you have a headphone, you want to plug it in, and we want to make sure that your phone actually playing sound. So just simply plug it into your port at the bottom there, and we want to ensure that when we are playing an audio such as a music file, it actually plays sounds. So we can check it with the headphones. If your headphone does play sound, then it could be other software issues on the device that we need to check. So use your headphone and double check to make sure the phone is actually playing sound when you are using the headphone. So you want to ensure the device is giving out audio output. Okay, moving on, we want to check if the sound has been set or adjust correctly in accessibility. So if we go into settings, in settings, we scroll down and tap on accessibility, and then in here we scroll down and you want to go into audio and visual. Next, scroll down here, and in the balance section you can readjust this slider bar to the left or to the right. Some sound file, sometimes it only play on one side, either left or the right on one channel. So if you happen to have your sound balance to the right and that sound file is actually only playing on the left channel, then you have no sound. So you can either try to readjust to the left or to the right or to the center and see if you can get any sound audio coming out from your iPhone. Now, if you have recently updated your phone and suddenly you get no sound coming out of your device, it could be an update that caused an issue, in which case we can go into settings. So in settings, scroll down and tap on general, then tap on software update. So if there is a bug with a recent release, then Apple will often release another update to fix the issue. So you want to go in here and check for a newer version of the software. If there is a newer version, simply click on the update now or try to download it and then update overnight. And try that. Lastly, if you still have a problem, then I think it's time for you to back up your device and perform a full restore of your iPhone. So what you can do is go into your Apple account and then go into iCloud and run a backup. So you can back up your data to iCloud. So here we've got iCloud backup. And if you scroll down and tap on backup now, it will back up your data to iCloud. Sometimes iCloud can have a problem, especially if you have a limit of a space limit, and you try to back up with lots of photos, then your phone will not be fully backed up. So you can try to back up your iPhone via iTunes, or if you're on a MacBook, you can back it up to your MacBook, or using iTunes on Windows computer to fully back up your iPhone before you perform a full reset or a full restore. Okay, and that's it. Hopefully you can fix the issues. Thank you for watching this video.